Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. I know you must be dying for another unboxing because it's probably been a little while. So here is a little collective haul that I've been picking up over the past few weeks. I am going to start drip feeding you unboxings because you've said you want me to keep doing them. And you know, I'm not just buying things because of you guys. I'll just get straight into the unboxings because I have got some fun pieces here that I've been keeping an eye on Fashion File and the Louis Vuitton website for quite a while, but I just needed that extra push, and so I've finally taken that extra push and I've finally just jumped in and purchased them. So without further ado, as they say, I'll show you the first item. It comes in this little box here. Now, these I had been keeping an eye on when they first released, and I was just taking my time because I'd, been picking up a little bit of fashion jewellery, and I was just going to back myself that they would be around when I wanted them. So now I've already told you it's fashion jewellery and that it will... by saying they, meaning earrings. God, honestly, you think I'd be getting better at unboxings by now. Come in this little pouch here, which is empty because I'm wearing them. I got another pair of louisvuitton earrings. These are in the black painted brass with the kind of gold coloured stud. If you have watched my channel before, you'll know that I also have these with the pearl stud and the silver and pink enamel backs. I'll pop a picture of them up here, but these ones are super cool because they're shiny black. They look very edgy. I have worn them and yeah, I love wearing this style of earring. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I believe that they are the modern version of the Dior tribal earrings with the pearls, because they're just such a unique style and they're really easy to wear because gravity just does the work. So yeah, so I picked those up and I had been watching those in my Louis Vuitton online cart for quite a while. So I'll keep my hair tucked back. Now, I will link the description or the item numbers in the description box below. So if you are interested in these, then you can also pick them up from the Louis Vuitton website or in store. So the next item, Jules will be super happy with me that I finally took the plunge. And if you're watching this, Jules, hi, and I hope you're doing really well. Jules is about to embark on a big move, so hopefully by now she's either moved and she's settling in and doing well. But I mentioned these in a video quite a while back, and Jules beat me to it. She went to the Louis Vuitton website and she purchased them and sent me a message and said, I love them, you need to get them, hurry up. And I'm talking about sunglasses. And I'm like, yes. And I kept going back and forth between the black and the tortoiseshell. Now inside, I don't have the little blue glasses case because they actually ran out when I was in the boutique, so they're going to send it to me whenever they get some more in. But truth be told, I only want it so that I've got the full set because I never use those cases. I always just use the soft case. So inside of here, I chose the monogram square in the tortoiseshell. Now they also come in a black as well, but I tried them both on with a friend and she said no, the black are too harsh for you. I do have a pair of black Celine sunglasses. So these are my black Celines and they have a gradient lens and they do have this little bit of broken lighter tortoiseshell on the bottom, but they are black, and I really like the fact that these are a bit more broken up. So the black style in these ones was just a bit too harsh on my features. So these ones have this beautiful filigree monogram detail down the side and the little details on the edge as well as on the other arm, and they're just a really lovely classic shape. And I do like me some tortoiseshell sunglasses. The details on these beautiful glasses include little filigree marks on the ends of each of the arms and on the inside of the hinges here as well. They're a really sturdy sunglass. They're a really sturdy pair of sunglasses. They feel solid on. They don't have those little nibs that get caught in your hair. And I really like them, and they are different enough to my Fendi Havana sunglasses, which have these big thick arms, and they are much more of a cat eye style and much more oversized. So I love me some sunglasses. I love being able to change them up, and yeah, they really just do, you know, make an outfit. So I'm very, very happy to finally join Jules in the Louis Vuitton Square Monogram Sunglasses Club, although it's taken me quite a while to get here, so thank you for your patience. So the final item that I have for you comes from Fashionphile, and you've seen a bunch of Fashionphile unboxings before, so I'm not going to go through all of the palaver because I actually opened it up upside down by mistake because I thought that it was a what are they called, like a jumper trimmer that I'd ordered. And then I forgot, oh, that's right, I ordered that thing off Fashionphile. So I have had this in my cart, in my wish list on Fashionphile for a long time. And to be honest, I've never seen one in person, so that kind of stopped me. And also there was always other things. So when I purchase from Fashionphile here in Australia, I keep my purchases to under $1,000 because otherwise we have to pay duties, and it's just not cost effective. It's better to try and source products here in Australia. The product that I got is a Fendi item. Now, people that know Fendi might know, based on this box, what is inside. It says Love Carl on the corner there. This is not a genuine unboxing because I have checked it out, but I have to say it's nothing like what I expected it to be. So inside, I did get a Fashionphile dust bag as well. I've got this little dust bag, and I also have a bunch of paperwork, and the dust bag also says Love Carl. I'll show you the paperwork in a second. And you can see there's a bit of fluff hanging out. Now, this is a lot different to what I expected it to be. This is from the 2016 collection, I believe. I thought it was going to be this big. This is the Punkito Carlito from the 2016 collection, and it's in fox and rabbit and mink. So it is how Fendi were incorporating fur into little accessories and bits and pieces. It's honestly the most crazy looking thing. I honestly thought it was this big, and when it came out, it's massive. Like, it's the size of a baseball. Like, it's big. So it's in azalea and white and black, and obviously these are supposed to be, I think it's been made or inspired by Carl, or Carl inspired himself. I don't know, is that like very egotistical? This little guy's got the sunglasses on, the Carlito he's called, and then he's got all of these studs. This is in like brand new condition. It has the tags and everything. It's got, you know, leather on it. This little bit here, I don't know if that's meant to be its body. It's got this little Fendi tab here, and this is where it locks onto your bag. I can't believe how big it is. It is huge, but it's so fun, and I have looked at these online forever. Look at that dread. Look at that, not dread, look at that mohawk down the back, and it's just so silky and swooshy and pink, and yeah, It's crazy. It really is. So I found this little thing on my laptop and it said, this is for Spring Summer 2016, limited edition, eye-catching small leather goods capsule collection, which is both ironic and edgy, fusing fur with leather and studs in a punk rock yet luxurious way. So that's the irony of it. So basically, expensive bad taste, is that what you'd call it? That's it, basically. So you can, it's like the effigy of Carl in luxurious bad taste. I mean, when you think about it, Carl being creative director of Fendi for 54 years, and the fact that he was also the creative director at Chanel at the same time, which is, Chanel would never do anything like this. Like, this shows you the difference that one person can have when they have, I guess, different freedoms. And in my experience, Fendi give a lot of freedom and a lot of trust to their designers, whether it be a Karl Lagerfeld, a Kim Jones, or a Dale. When I did my made to order, they really keep things open and fun, and as long as it's Italian and bold and beautiful, like, this is amazing. You can do it. So that is my very random hodgepodge unboxing today. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, to be honest. I don't know if it's going to be a bag charm. I really have no idea. I forgot to show you. I did get the tags, so the original tags came with the item as well, and the original price was $1,100, and I picked it up for $3.15. You might say that's still too much, but you know, sustainable fashion, people. And I also got the care card from Fendi as well. So absolutely a full set for this little Carlito Punkito. And I'm really happy to have it as a part of my Fendi collection. Pretty cool, hey? So, yeah. What do you think of these purchases? It's kind of a bit of a punky haul, isn't it? Because I've got these like pretty spiky earrings, and I've got this little guy here, and maybe he might just be a bit of decor, we'll see. And obviously my fabulous new sunglasses, which I'm very happy about. So yes, if you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.